Well, good evening, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss with another great video. This one's going to be short and sweet. Earlier this year, I predicted that Bitcoin would go to $80,000 for just one Bitcoin. And here we stand, November the 9th, 2021, with a $67,000 Bitcoin. Let's dig into it, guys. Look, $67,000 for a Bitcoin. Who would have thought? If you were in on Bitcoin when it was below $10,000, please drop a like. Please drop a comment in the description. I would love to know how many of my subscribers, or if you're new to this channel, if you got in before it rushed up to the unthinkable price of $67,000. Folks, I still believe that Bitcoin is going to go to $80,000. And I still think it can happen before close of business 2021. Look at the number of people who now hold Bitcoin. Let's take a look at that. Okay, when we take a look at Bitcoin, it keeps going up and down, but I need you to look at this. Over 36,000 people, okay? Look at this. This is 38. What is this? Oh my goodness. What is that? What is that number? Total addresses, 38,839,000 people. Look at that. 38,839,000 address holders. Folks, what I need you to understand, it sounds like a lot of people, but there are over 300 million people in the United States. And there is about the same amount over in India. Okay, and we still got China. We haven't, believe it or not, we still have not scratched the surface for the number of people who could possibly hold Bitcoin. And if you start thinking about it in that manner, in that vein, you start to understand that if Bitcoin truly is to become the real store of value in the world, it has to be in more than half of the hands of the adults in the world. Only then will it truly be the world's greatest asset, and it still has a lot of room to grow. So $80,000 is not asking much, and I think Bitcoin could still get to $100,000. $80,000 by close of business 2021. $100,000 somewhere in 2022. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.